Tamara in Kodaikanal, and I'm here with Chef Prince, who's going to show us a very delicious local dish. Chef, can you tell us what are you going to show or share with our audience?
We have two dishes in the buckets. One from Kari Dosa, which is very local in Madurai and Dindigul districts. So it is basically made out of pork with a dosa.
Okay.
And we have a dish called from Kerala. It's an inspiration taken from Kerala. We call it as Erachi Petti.
Okay.
But we changed it. Basically, it's made with beef, but here we want to give a local touch with chicken.
Okay.
So it's a coldly Erazhi Petti. So these two dishes we just want to showcase to you.
Alright, so should we go to the kitchen and we'll get started. So the first dish is Kozhi Erachi Petti.
He is Mr. Muyandi, so he will do the things. A teaspoon of coconut oil. We just want to give a note of Kerala in there. So we can use 2 spoons of onions, green chili, and the curry. A teaspoon of ginger and garlic equally blended. So no need to be golden fried. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric with a garam masala, a 1/4 teaspoon. Now we are going to put a minced chicken.
What is the quantity of minced chicken?
You can use nearly 100-150 grams of minced chicken. If you want more masala kind of thing, you can even add tomatoes to make it more juicy. But as much as juicy if you make, the dosa gets wet.
So it has to be a bit dry.
Wet right is good to have also for snacks.
So perhaps for non-vegetarians, I think this is something that
Will
is
enjoy
must try. A little bit of coriander there.
Remember?
Coriander,
Pepper.
pepper.
Depend upon the palate, people can raise the hot or reduce
Spices.
it.
So if you like more spice, you can add some chili powder and maybe more pepper.
Chili flakes you can add.
Paste you can add. So maybe you're right. Those of you who are vegetarians, you can actually make this dish and you can substitute chicken with paneer. That's what Chef said.
More healthy option, you can go with tofu.
Healthier options, you can do with tofu.
And chicken it cooks very fast.
So you cook that for about 10 minutes and then
Slightly the coconut milk needs to be added to get the touch. It will wet it. You need to make a batter out of atta, wheat flour.
what else is there in that, Chef?
Wheat flour, water, coriander, and your cumin seeds with salt. If you want chopped ginger or green chilies, anything else, you can add it.
All these options are also there.
And transferring the mixture into a bowl. Hot mixture of chicken. Just heat a pan. Stir the batter. Batter need to be rest for at least half an hour.
So after mixing the batter, it has to rest for at least half.
Just spread little egg, beaten egg, to get a
Nothing.
coating.
So this is just beaten egg.
It will hold the thing. It will just bind and hold the. Once you fold, it will hold. So you just spread the mixture in center. Only to overspread it, slightly spread. If you want to add a extra local punch, add gunpowder.
So this is
Podi.
gunpowder. Okay.
Idli podi.
Okay.
So now, just to be not spread it over.
Okay.
So you have to fold like this. First folding, second folding. You cook fully, no need to. Just once it's 50% done, then you start folding it.
So once it's like almost half done. you
So
can
once
start
dosa is fully done, it will breaks.
Okay.
Now it will hold.
You fold it like a parcel.
Pass. That's petti. It's called. Basically, it's a box.
Okay.
So if you want
That's what it's Kozhi
Erachi Petti.
So it's shaped like a box, so that's what it's called. So this is going to take some time to cook because we have to slow cook this till everything is cooked inside. So we just wait for a few minutes.
Now it's ready to plate.
It's time to taste the Kari Erachi Petti. Okay, I'm just going to cut through this. See how it looks inside. It's nice and hot. This lovely cold weather in Kodaikanal. Oh, look at the steam coming out. Can you see that steam coming out? Ooh, and look how perfectly it's cooked. Look at that. It's so soft. It's so soft. I can't wait to actually take a bite of this. You can see the egg is all cooked inside. Wow, it's so hot. But it's perfect for this nice cold weather. The next dish we are going to see is the very popular Kari Dosa, and we're going to make this with mutton.
So for that we need to make a mutton curry first. It's an authentic Tamil Nadu dish. We use gingerly oil. 1.5 teaspoons of gingerly oil. So first we need to heat the pan. So splatter some jeera in it. Crush some curry leaves. Instead of putting as it is, just crush it. The flavor will be more intense. So depend upon your spice level, you can rise green chilies. 3 teaspoons of onions.
We use very less onions. So is there a reason why we don't use
So
too
if
many
it is
onions?
more of onions, it will extract the flavors of the meat. So while we are using meat should be more. That's why we are not allowing onions to more browned also. Once it's onion brown,
Okay.
it will overpower the dish.
Fish,
The
okay.
onion flavor will be enhanced. That's why once it starts sauteing, we put little sprinkle salt on it, it starts wetting. Instead of brown, it starts wet. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. For 100 grams of boiled mutton, you can use this measurement. Coriander powder. Same 1/4 teaspoons of your turmeric, garam masala, soap, pepper. So you can slightly saute it. You can rice tomatoes little bit extra,
Okay.
like 4 teaspoons, more than onion. Because it is a curry, it's a form of curry. It is not a,
Masala on it.
yeah, it is a curry basically.
Yeah. Okay.
You pour the curry on top of it.
Okay.
Now it's time for a meat. This is 100 grams of meat.
So this is boneless mutton, right?
Yes.
Pieces.
Cooked meat.
So for Kari Dosa, it's better to have the pieces like chunky pieces.
Chunky, basically it's chukka cut.
Yeah.
That is tiny.
Tiny pieces of meat
Pieces of
rather
meat.
than the mince.
Now we need to add some coconut milk on it.
I think the ingredients for these dishes are
Coconut milk. A thick extract of coconut milk.
the secret ingredient for these dishes is coconut milk. And you get that extra flavor.
So we have water. And any curry, while finishing it, if you add any kind of fat or oil, it will give an extra flavor. Like butter, on finishing any sauces, you put butter and stir it. Yes, same like Indian, South Indian cuisine also. While finishing it, you add a dash of
Oil.
not any other oil related to this gingerly oil.
Yeah, gingerly oils.
So it will give a flavor.
I hope you got that tip, guys. So by finishing the dish, add a little oil. Because it's gonna
And
add
this
a
all
little
oil what we are using is all only cold press. We source it from local, so it is cold press only. We don't use any customized this commercial oils and all.
The curry is done.
Done. If you want more curry also, you can add more curry. So in this dosa batter, we add a little bit of turmeric powder, corianders, for extra punch, little salt, and a egg, beaten egg.
Chef has added beaten egg to the dosa batter. That's how we do it.
If you go to the places nearby Dindigul and all, the egg dosa is not a kind of dosa on top of it.
So they mix
So
the
they make egg and dosa
Egg.
like this. One of the famous biryani outlets will serve dosas like this. And their dosas are unique because of this only.
This pan is hot, the filling is ready, the dosa batter is ready. So let's start making.
So the batter what we prepared, the same batter. No need to spread the dosa much. It's like a uttapam. Just after pouring the curry, it will, we have to spread it with the curry itself.
So these are some of the tips you can follow while making the dosa. You see they are spreading the dosa with the curry.
Gunpowder.
Especially gunpowder.
onions on top of it, with tomatoes, corianders, and don't forget a splash of ginger. If you have anything to cover on it, you can cover so it will
So it will cook properly.
cook properly.
We pack the dosa, so the curry is nicely embedded into the dosa and it cooks. Cook this till it's well done. So be a little patient.
All this little caramelized masala will enhance the flavor. Because of dosa, it will seal easily.
So make sure you maintain the flame on a medium while making this.
So here comes your Kari Dosa.
With some gunpowder.
Ginger oil.
So we've seen how to make Kari Dosa and I'm going to taste this. It looks absolutely delicious. See all the meat inside. Yummy. So I can happily finish off this dosa.